I'm going to finally get to do the vegetable show. They took it off our Instagram. Now they said, okay, you can do it, but we're going to do it well, not like your weird version of it.
We're not supposed to be doing like the whole vegetable show thing.
Oh, stop. It is the vegetable show, but we're gonna make a chicken in the pot with vegetables. Lift the necklace.
So clearly she was prepared for this whole thing. Now we're doing this whole production, probably wasting a lot of time.
Okay, wait. First, respect the jewelry with the true lover's knot lock. So the first step is you brown the bird. Juiced a lemon in this little pan, some sugar, 2 kinds of squash, carrots, parsnip. We're gonna put a sweet potato in and Sarah's gonna peel it. I put a lot of leeks in. Things are gonna get crazy. Boiling, turn it off, grab the bird. Now, vegetables go in. Tossing, gonna add salt. You just wing it, you fill the pot. I'm taking the bird and I'm nestling it into the vegetables. You take that lemon mixture with the lemon peel, dump it on top. I'm adding chicken broth, some fresh herbs from my little windowsill. Let's not call it a garden, that would be pushing things. I'll plop that right in. Pepper, a couple bay leaves, nice albarino. Pizza dough.
Just roll it out.
You can like swing it, you can do anything. You're sealing the dough, but you're also creating a yummy crust. It goes in the oven for 55 minutes at 500.
So how long total?
I can pull this shit together in an hour and 20 minutes.
Wow. I need to take notes.
Nope, bottom oven, but nice. What time is it? So 10, 20, 11, 15. The vegetables are super soft. The broth is amazing. The chicken is super juicy.